What's up YouTube, Matthew here once again with another video. And in today's video I'm outside, and today's topic we're going to be talking about canceling out of a contract.
Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below.
Now, canceling out of a contract can be one of the hardest things you can do. I'm thinking about canceling out of this contract, and I'm getting nervous, getting a little stressed, because talking to the seller and giving the promise, yeah, I am going to buy your house for cash, yes, we are going to close in 30 days, but the numbers just don't work for me. I'll just give you all the scenarios. So basically, got this house under contract for 125. The ARV is probably 225, 250. But the thing is, it has foundation issues. The floors are sinking, and the investors in my town probably won't pay anything over 110 for the property. And I could potentially renegotiate, but I just want to back out of this deal. And I think just canceling out would be the better option. But that's hard for me to do because the seller started packing already, and I already went to title and everything. But doing that, I may not be able, to close on the property with another cash buyer because I'm not finding any cash buyer who's interested. Now, a mistake I made was, probably 2 days ago, I started calling like 2 other realtors. They came out. This one realtor kind of went behind my back, even though they knew I had a binding agreement with the seller. They went to talk to the seller directly and say, hey, we'll list your property for 135. I have a property, but they should be coming to me because I have a binding agreement with the seller. So I'm just learning in this business that, people are not out for your best interest. People are trying to get as much money that they can. But the thing is, I have a very abundant mindset that there are deals out there for everyone. We can all eat here. But, this realtor, he also invests. It's like a husband and wife pair. And, I don't even feel comfortable sending him deals anymore because of what, him and his wife are doing. So, if they have a buyer, they should be coming to me. But I have this other realtor that I told him about, but he was upfront with me. He was like, hey, yeah, I'll list the property, and you can also keep your contract. He went directly to me because I had a contract with this seller. And that's the right way to do it. But, that's what happens in this business, and you have to deal with that. And so canceling out of a contract can be very difficult. And there is a right way to say it. So, I would just call them and say, hey, how's it going? Mary, it's a random name. It's just that the numbers don't work out for us completely. We didn't know that the foundation was a huge issue. And it was just cost us more than what we expected, and say, I would love to help you out. I know a very good realtor in the area. He can list your property, and he has a Rolodex of cash buyers and other conventional people that can buy your property. Do you mind signing on with him or her? You can say something like that where you're not completely out of the deal because you're just bringing a realtor in to help them out. And so, yeah, I'm just taking you all along on this journey because, I don't exactly know what to do. Right now, I think I messed up and kind of panicking because I couldn't sell the deal, so I reached out to these 2 realtors. And this realtor was already out, but I contacted them again. They went behind my back, so I was all like, okay. And then this other realtor came, and I think we kind of put too much stress on the seller when she had all these 3 parties coming to her. But, right now she should have the upper hand saying, I have 3 people wanting to get my house or sell my house. Whoever does it first wins. Basically. But yeah, it's just kind of stressful, honestly. And there's ups and downs with it. I just found out that my LLC is not in good standing. I think it's because I tried to change the name, but I never got confirmation that I changed the name, which is weird. But But yeah, so that's basically it, you all. Um, I'm bringing you all along on this journey. I'm not perfect, but I'm learning. I'm learning how to stand my grounds and my terms, um, and just really control the situation myself. Really control the buyers, and the seller. I think from now on, I'm just gonna have one showing and bring out people and say, hey, you can only see this house once, because the seller is private. They don't want all the stress on them. And so if you need to come once, just make sure you bring your contractor, your realtor, whoever else you need to bring. Um, and yeah, so that's basically it. I may be able to get another buyer and still profit from this still. I don't know. But um, I'm still glad that I'm learning from it. And that's the thing with this business, you all, everything won't go according to plan. Everything won't be perfect. And you just have to understand that coming into this business and while you're in this business. Um, and you all be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm right on the level with a lot of you all who never got a deal or just got one deal like myself. And I'm not a guru. I'm not, trying to sell any information. I'm just putting this for accountability and for memories, and so people can see the grind and the hustle that it takes, as I grow. Um, but yeah, we'll see. Hope you all have a good day. Have a good weekend. All right, bye.